All right, welcome everybody. Eugene, Hughes Motorized. You got your brand new 50cc scooter, or you got your little Chinese scooter that you've had for a while. You want to upgrade the performance. They're not that fast right out of the crate, are they? Okay, so what I'm going to do is do a playlist, and you're going to see right about there at the end of the video the playlist. You can click on that and it will catalog, it'll detail all the videos that I'm going to do on upgrading the scooter here. This is a brand new scooter, so we can kind of play along together here and play the game here. I only have 34 miles on this scooter here. What I want to do is maximize the performance of this scooter here without sacrificing reliability. I want to show you how you can increase reliability of this here and of course increase the performance. The first upgrade I did on this scooter here, and it's on the playlist, you can see, is I installed magnetic drain plugs. I put in a good synthetic oil. You don't know what they put in these guys here overseas in China. The oils aren't that good. They've been sitting on a boat in a warehouse getting moisture in it. So let's get that stuff out of the way. Let's use these magnetic drain plugs to pick up any of the metallic bits that come off during break-in and normal operation and keep it from being ground up in the engine and sacrificing reliability there. So what we're going to do here, we're going to increase the performance by giving it a better air filter. We're going to increase the performance by giving it a better exhaust. And since we're changing the airflow characteristics, we need to tune the carburetor. Now, most of these Chinese scooters, the stock carburetor is sealed. You can't get into it to service it, to adjust your jets and do tuning. So we're going to upgrade the carburetor too. Kaheen carburetor, we're going to put that on there. I'll have links down below for all the goodies you need to do all of the upgrades. Like I said, at the end of the video, check right about there somewhere. You'll see the playlist. If you have any questions, leave them down below. Because, hey, if your scooter is broken down and you got junk hanging out and fluids coming out, it's not performing. So what I want to do with this scooter here, I want to keep it tearing ass through the neighborhood, but I don't want it to break down. Of course, we're going to have some maintenance issues. Check my channel as well. I'll have a new playlist as well, Living with the Chinese Scooter. I will detail any maintenance issues that I come up with on this bike here too. So hey, if you like my videos, give me a thumbs up. Click that subscribe button. There's links down below for all the goodies, and you should see, well, wait a minute, right over there. Yep, you'll see that playlist thing right there. Click on it. Wear your helmet.